Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We have started a new series about Hollywood movies reviews and update news. If you are a new one on our channel, then subscribe our channel to get more future updates on time. In this video today, we will talk about top 5 best family and kid movies on Netflix right now. While the world of streaming has opened up a vast of amount of possibilities in terms of viewing option, it can sometimes be overwhelming trying to decide exactly what to choose, especially when you have the entire family on the brain. But it's not only Disney movies. Our list of the best family and kid movies on Netflix feature film from all kind of studios, all kind of eras and all kind of genres. So if you are looking for the perfect viewing option that both kids and parents will enjoy, we are pretty confident you will find something here. Check out our full list of the best family movies on Netflix below. Let's start now. On number 1, Klaus. With Klaus, Netflix made on the bona fide original Christmas classic without a single holiday switch. Incredible, I know. Co-written and directed by Sergio Pablos, a Spanish animation master who began working for Disney in the Paris outpost before moving to America and contributed incredible performances and design for a character as varied and unrelated as Frollo in The Hunger Pack, of Naruto Dam and Dr. Doppler in Treasure Planet before becoming a one-man idea form, coming up with the initial concept that gave way to Despicable Me and Smallfoot. On number 2, Paranormal. If you are looking for a fun family movie that also genuinely spooky and has a surprisingly message, I urge you to check out Paranormal. The stop-motion animated film hails from Laika, the same studio behind Caroline and Cuba and the two String, and I absolutely one of their best films. It revolves around a young kid named Norman who has the ability to see and speak with the dead, which comes is handy when his small Massachusetts town is overrun by terrifying ghosts. The story draws heavily from iconic 18th century movies like The Goonies and E.T. On number 3, How to Train Your Dragon 2. The best film in the How to Train Your Dragon trilogy is also the most emotionally one. The 2014 sequel How to Train Your Dragon 2 take place 5 years after the events of the first film and finds Hiccups coming into contact with his long lost mother played by Cate Blanchett and battling a madman Digimon Hanzo who wants to take over the world. Compassion and empathy are a prominent theme in this kid movie that may or may not leave parent is puddle of tears by its end. On number 4, Mary Poppins Returns. Mary Poppins Returns is the fourth occurrence of the Mary Poppins verse, and I mean that as a serious compliment. Emily Blunt steps into Julie Andrews' iconic role as the nanny who can do literally anything with prim and proper playfulness, pivoting perfectly between tough love and Wickhamel singing on the moment notice. On last and last, on number 5, The Witches. Will the 1990 adaptation of Roald Dahl The Witches give your kids nightmares? Probably, but it's kind of a rite of passage. Produced by Jim Henson, the film tells the story of a group of evil witches who disguise themselves as the ordinary women and kill children. Be sure to leave your valuable feedback and thoughts in the comments so can we make more informative videos for you. Our goal to introduce you to every Hollywood movie and English TV series. Thanks for watching.